Today we will start the subject geography of grade 7 and our chapter number 2 is the sun, the moon and the earth. Last time already we have discussed about solar eclipse. Today we will do the point that is lunar eclipse. First of all, what is lunar eclipse? So the meaning of lunar eclipse is the moon becomes darkened when it passes into the earth shadow. Means while the shadow of the earth falls on the moon, at that time we'll say that lunar eclipse occurs. See this point, if the earth is between the sun and the moon, means the earth is between the sun and the moon. This is the sun, this is the moon, and in between means here it is the earth. Okay, the shadow of the earth falls on the moon and this all are in same plane and fall in one line. And the shadow of the earth, this earth shadow falls on the moon. At that time, these three celestial bodies are in same line. So this is known as lunar eclipse. When the moon enters the shadow of the earth while revolving around itself. While revolving around itself means when the moon revolve around itself. When the moon revolve around itself or revolve around the earth, at that time the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. And because of that shadow, this lunar eclipse happened. See, now we have two lunar eclipse. The first is total lunar eclipse and the second one is partial lunar eclipse. So we will do this by seeing this picture. I'll explain you about total lunar eclipse. Total lunar eclipse falls on full moon day. Means this is the total lunar eclipse and this eclipse falls only full moon day. In time of total lunar eclipse, the moon, see this moon is totally hidden by the thick shadow of the earth. The shadow, you can see this blue color, this earth shadow falls on the moon totally. Because of this shadow, the moon is hidden from the sky. So this is known as total lunar eclipse. Okay. Now the next one is partial lunar eclipse. Partial lunar eclipse also occur on full moon day. Sometime only a part of the moon is hidden. In partial lunar eclipse, because of the shadow of the earth, only a single part. See this blue color and this one is black color. So only a part of the moon is hidden within the thick shadow of the earth. Means the shadow of the earth falls on the moon, but in partial lunar eclipse we can see the moon half and half is invisible. So this condition is known as partial lunar eclipse. In total lunar eclipse we can't able to see the moon. In partial lunar eclipse we can see a part of the moon. Now the next topic is characteristics of solar eclipse and characteristics of lunar eclipse. So let us discuss about this. Solar eclipse occur on a new moon day but not on every new moon day. It means solar eclipse comes on new moon day but not every new moon day. Okay. And in lunar eclipse occur on full moon day. This lunar eclipse comes on full moon day but not on every full moon day. Means they have their particular moon day but not every moon day they will come. Next is occur if and only if the sun, the moon and the earth are in same plane in one line. See, solar eclipse occur on when the sun, the moon and the earth are in same plane. Means the sequence of the sun, moon and earth like this. And in lunar eclipse, the sequence is the sun, the earth and the moon are in same plane and fall in one line. Here in solar eclipse, the sequence is sun, the moon, the earth. But in lunar eclipse, this sequence is changed, that is the sun, the earth and the moon. Here the moon is between and here the sun is, the earth is between. Okay. The maximum duration of total solar eclipse is 7 minutes and 20 seconds here. The time of eclipse. Maximum time, what is the time? That is 7 minutes and 20 seconds. And in lunar eclipse, the maximum time will be 107 minutes. See, this duration. Means this is the duration which the eclipses falls. Understood? Now see the next topic, that is eclipse and astronomical event. What is astronomical? Astronomical means relating to astronomy, that is related to heavenly bodies. The meaning of astronomy is heavenly, relating to astronomy, that is relating to heavenly bodies. Now see, a solar and lunar eclipse is just an astronomical event. This is just an event. There is nothing auspicious and inauspicious. Auspicious meaning fortunate. The meaning of auspicious is fortunate, and the meaning of inauspicious means unfortunate. Because in olden times, the people thinks that this eclipse are not good for us, means it is very unfortunate for us. Already I told you that eclipse means grahan. So the olden time people think that this eclipse is not good for us, it is not fortunate to us, it is unfortunate. But nowadays nobody thinks like that. Eclipses are just the result of this celestial body in a specific position. It is just a simple result because the sun, the moon, the earth are in their specific position. It is only the importance of these celestial bodies and their positions. There is a lot of curiosity because it is not a regular occurrence. Regular occurrence means it is not forming regularly. Again and again it is not formed. That's why some people have curiosity. Curiosity means to know something new. So the people want to know something new about this event, about this eclipses, because it is not a regular occurrence. Next is eclipse and opportunity for study. What is the meaning of opportunity? Opportunity means to make a chance. To make a chance, it is known as opportunity. Total and annular solar eclipses, great opportunities for scientists to study in the field of astronomy. Means these scientists, they want to learn, they want to study, they want to know something new. With the help of this total and annular solar eclipse, they will study about these eclipses and give us information. And also it is very important to understand these eclipses because scientists, they have a great opportunity about these eclipses and they give us many knowledges. They carry out elaborate studies of eclipse condition by visiting the location where each event occurs. What is the meaning of elaborate? Elaborate means in detail. In detail. The scientists, what they are doing? For elaborating, for taking the details of particular event. They visit that place, they search in that place about eclipses and they will get many knowledge about these eclipses. So that studies is very important for scientists because when they will study afterwards, they will pass on to us. So elaborate means the study which is in very detail, and in this scientists, they visit to that particular place for gathering information. Next, eclipse responses of birds and animals. What will happen about birds and animals because of eclipse? Because we are human beings. In eclipse time, we have our house. We stay inside the house. But what about birds and animals? What they are thinking? What they are doing? During the period of solar eclipse, a large number of birds and animals get confused due to the untimely darkness that set in. See, these birds and animals, they are confused. Why they are confused? Because it is untimely darkness. Untimely means any time. The darkness which they are seeing outside. So because of that darkness, they are confused. And this darkness happened in solar eclipse. So the animals and birds are also get confused because suddenly this darkness happened. Their responses to this event are unusual. It is very unusual. Unusual means uncommon. Rarely, because this eclipse occur rarely, uncommonly, untimely. It is not the eclipses doesn't have the fixed time. Solar eclipse precautions. Now what precautions we have to take? Which kind of safety we have to take while solar eclipse? The first is the intense. The meaning of intense is powerful or more bright. The intense light of the sun can be harmful to the naked eye. The light of the sun directly falls on our eyes. Naked eyes means open eyes. So it is very harmful to us. So we should not see the sun directly in eclipses time. It will damage to your eyes. It is necessary to view solar eclipses through dark glasses or special goggles made for this purpose. If you want to see the solar eclipse, so take precautions. If you want to view the solar eclipse, so you have to wear a glasses. You have to wear a sunglasses or special goggles. Special goggles means the goggles which made for viewing the solar eclipse. The goggles which made for viewing the solar eclipse. That special goggles you have to wear or use glasses to avoid this kind of problem. So these are some precautions we have to take for solar eclipse.